Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to start adding the materials to our model inside of Blender. So let's go to the shading tab and we're going to click on the principal BSDF of our character, and we're going to be using the Node Wrangler add-on. And to ensure you have that, go to Edit, Preferences, and where it says Add-ons, you want to just type in Node, and then you're going to check this box that says Node Wrangler, and then you want to just save your preferences so you always have this. So hit this bar here and go to Save Preferences. Now, to use the Node Wrangler, you have to select Principal BSDF and press Control-Shift-T, and that's going to lead you to your folders where you set your textures. And we want to just locate the skin, and there should be a total of 5 skin materials. So just select them by holding down Control. And once you have all 5 of them selected, you can go to Principal Texture Set, and it's now going to apply it. I'm going to do this same method for the rest of the different parts, the clothing, the belt, gloves, so forth and so on. So select the shirt, and if you don't have a material, you can just hit New, select Principal BSDF, Control-Shift-T, locate the clothing materials, and sometimes it's in a different order, so just look for the name, and then hit Principal Texture, and voila. And just continue doing this for the rest of the parts. And also name them if they're not named already. I think we named them before we exited Blender the last time, so just select them. And I textured my character more than once, so I have a variant material, so that's why he looks different than he did in the previous video. So I'm just naming this Principal BSDF, Control-Shift-T. Locate all 5 of my textures, and done. Now we just have to apply the same material to the rest of the model. Now let's go back to the layout, and we can change the renderer, and that's also I think it'll be a good time to toggle on the eyes so we can better see this as a whole. So for the spheres, and let's also rotate these eyes, because we're not going to do the eyes that I originally wanted. So let's select this, and we can rotate this. So press R, 90, and X, so we can rotate this 90 degrees in the X-axis, so it'll be flipped, so it's perfectly round. And we can change the materials if need be. And these are kind of cool. Maybe we rotate this a little bit more. That's fine here. Let's create a new material. Let's make this black. Turn down the roughness so we can have that reflection. And we can add a subsurface scatter to this to add a little bit more depth. So let's just go to surface. We can drag this to the right. I don't know how much we need. Let's just experiment a little bit. Let's change the subsurface color to maybe a red. And this looks okay for now. He looks more like a bug, like a roach. So we may change the eyes later on. Let's put some subsurface scatter to the skin material. We'll change this to either blue or red. Here it gives it more of that Pixar cartoony style, so you may or may not like this. So just have some fun, experiment with these, get a color that you're satisfied with. Over here looks good for now. I may or may not change it later on in this video, or a future video I should say. Let's toggle on the glasses. And let's also change the material color, because these white ones aren't doing it. So maybe an orange or a reddish color. Looks cool. Let's name this so we know what it is. So let's just name this orange. And we can apply the same material to the band of the glasses. And this looks good for now. Toggle off our overlays, and let's see how this looks from different angles. Looks marvelous. I'm actually satisfied with this quality that we hit. Let's toggle off this render and let's look at this in a different shading mode. Looks good here as well. So I think this would be a good place to leave off in this video. Let's save our work and we'll continue in the next video.